To find the second term. So to find the second term of star. To find the second term of the star, let t belongs to d in any point and t minus z0 less than z minus z0. Then we increase what is the radius? We increase the z minus z0. Then what do you find? T minus z0 by z minus z0. This term is less than 1. T minus z0 by z minus z0 less than 1. In previous we have to write this equal to this. Taking the negative sign, we have to find 1 by z minus z0 minus t minus z0. That implies minus 1 by t minus z equal to, taking common, 1 by z minus z0 taking common, we find 1 minus t minus z by z minus z0. Then this can be written as 1 by z minus z0 into 1 minus t minus z by z minus z0 inverse. Binomial theorem apply. Z minus z0 1 plus t minus z by z minus z0 square plus t minus z by z minus z0 whole cube plus up to infinity. By multiplying, then 1 by z minus z0 multiply t minus z by z minus z0 square plus t minus z whole square by z minus z0 whole cube plus up to infinite. What do you multiply? Multiply ft. Multiply ft and integrate with respect to t. What do you find? We find minus. Is the minus? Because we find the minus term. Minus ft by t minus z dt equal to integration ft by t minus z0, because the center is z0. Z minus z0 dt plus z minus z0 is constant, take it outside. 1 by integration dt ft dt integration ft dt plus 1 by z minus z0 square integration t minus z ft dt plus up to find this. Then we have to find 1 by 2 pi multiply 1 by 2 pi both sides we get minus 1 by 2 pi integration of ft by t minus z dt equal what? One by 2 pi 1 by 2 pi 1 by 2 pi 1 by z minus z0 integration of ft dt plus 1 by z minus z0 square integration of t minus z ft dt plus 1 by z minus z0 whole square cube t minus z whole square ft dt plus up to infinite. Then we get this can be written as 1 by 2 pi summation n equal to 1 will be infinite. N equal to 1 will be infinite. 1 minus z0 to the power n, because we find 1 into integration t minus z to the power n minus 1. Why?
First term 0.
First term 0, then ft dt. Okay, we arrange this. This is the constant term. That implies summation n equal to 1 to infinite integration one by z minus z0 to the power n to the power n into 1 by 2 pi, because this is the constant. You have to multiply integration ft by t minus z to the power minus n plus 1 ft dt. This is called what? Dn. That implies summation n equal to 1 to infinite z minus z0 to the power minus n into bn. What is bn? What is bn? bn equal to 1 by 2 pi. What is the chord? Your chord is C2. The chord is right on the chord. That is C2 chord. Because if it is negative power, this is the anticlockwise. We find a chord that is called C2. The anticlockwise direction of C2 is C1. That is C2. That's C2. Here C2. What do you find? C2. Where Bn equal to integration over C2 ft by t minus z to the power minus n plus 1
dt.
So what is the relation between a and b? An equal to what is n? The relation in previous, then we have to prove this. By putting this, you have to put this now. What do you write? B0 to B1 or B0. You find B1 plus B2 z minus 1. Yes, B1 z minus z0 minus 1 plus B2 z minus z0 minus 2 plus up to infinite. By putting this under thesis previous, we find the result. What is? By putting the integral of first term and second term. First term and second term. F of z equal to what do you find? A0 plus A1 z minus z0 plus A2 z minus z0 square up to infinite plus what the second term? B1 z minus z0 minus 1 plus B2 z minus z0 minus 1 to infinite. This is the required expansion of Lorentz series. On the Lorentz series, we find a positive term and a negative term. This is depend upon two terms. This depend upon two terms. But we take an arbitrary term. For example, we take an arbitrary term. Sorry, a equal to 1 by 2 pi integration of 1 by 2 pi integration of ft dt by z minus z0 to the power कितना n plus 1, what is bn? 1 by 2 pi ft dt by z minus z to the power. That means a of minus n equal to a. Means a of by putting the negative sign in a, we find b. We taking the arbitrary chord. Taking the arbitrary chord. This chord is upon not C1 C2. This chord of gamma. Because gamma contains dt. Not putting C1 and C2. Why? Because we find a relation. By taking the ft, we find a relation between n and minus n. If you put n, then we find a relation. Minus n, it is a logical potential. But depending upon n, that means n belongs to z, taking the word gamma. Whatever your n, we find the positive and negative. If you choose the positive, then find Taylor series. This is called the Taylor series. If you put negative, then the coefficient of Taylor series. If you put negative, then you find the negative term. This is the relation. Then we arbitrarily not write C1 and C2. We write it gamma. Gamma may be C1. Gamma may be C2. We say that this is the gamma. Where gamma? We find a t. This is the gamma. We choose a t. Then we choose again C1. Then we choose C2. Because then arbitrary z. T minus z. Either t minus z is greater than z minus z0. Whatever z0. T minus z. T minus z is greater than z minus z0 or less than z0. That's why we have taken the modulus. A number which is positive or negative. That is why we have taken the modulus. So